Hello again, everybody. It is December the 7th, and this is Mr. Eichler's weekly webcast. To begin with, at Computer Lab this week, the kids all received their logins for code.org. This is a computer coding website that they can learn about all kinds of things and develop computational thinking, not constitutional thinking, computational thinking. They all have their logins, and they can use these at home from their computers. I'm not sure if it works on iPad or not, so you'll have to take a look at that. Also, a reminder, please dress for the weather. We will be going outside on cold days, and if they do not have a coat, they're not going to be able to go outside if the temperature's under 40 degrees. So please make sure that they dress in the morning appropriately for the weather. If it's all possible, we will be going outside for a little bit of recess, if not all of recess. Also, 'tis the season for all the insanity. I'm trying to keep homework on the light side of things nightly, and maybe a couple of nights here and there without even any homework at all. I know, you're welcome. But when I do give it, please do try to get it done. And if I do give homework and for whatever reason it didn't work, this is why they have those homework passes as part of their incentive from the PTA Amazing Race. So they can use their homework passes for that night off of homework without any fear of getting a check in the folder. And today, also for lunch, we enjoyed a lunch with the doctor as a behavior reward. And this week we met Matt Smith's doctor. He is the 11th doctor to play the role, and it was huge. They had a great time. So thanks to all the parents that came out and enjoyed it with us. What's going on at school? Well, in social studies, we have kids on the Supreme Court. They're doing some fun activities and analyzing the Bill of Rights and applying it to some fictitious real-world scenarios. Also in science, we have continued to build our planets on our balloon globes, and we're doing some map making and stuff. And next week for STEAM, we'll be painting our planets by continent and ocean and designing our ecosystems and filling our ecosystems with all kinds of cool creatures. In writing, we have been researching animal defenses, and they have been writing their own informational essay this week, all on their own. I'm very proud of them. They're doing a great job on those. And in reading, we have read a wonderful story about the Hawaiian killer whale volcano eruption earlier this year entitled Beautiful Disaster. And in math, we've been doing story problems this week, and they have been writing their own story problems, their Bubba problems. And today we traded for the first time and tried to get other people to solve our own created story problems. That's all I got. Everybody have a great weekend, and we will see you next week.